What up, YouTube? I had took like a 2 month break, and my bad, man. It was too hot outside. I couldn't record and deal with no car at the same time. So I think the last video I uploaded was 2 months ago. But I finna get y'all up to speed with the car, what it's doing. The car running good. Hold on, let me show y'all the car real quick. Yeah, the car running good. Me and Forrest did some tuning on it about 2.5 months ago. We got the car up to about 17 pounds of boost on pump E85, so it's running good. I have been driving it lately at night. It been kind of cool outside, so I've been driving it. So now that it's cool out, I'm about to start back filming, playing with the car a little bit, cause man, it was too hot outside. I just couldn't. I just can't deal with no car when it's that hot outside. But I finna get ready to take the drag pack wheels off, slicks. I finna take these off, and I finna put the Forgiatos on. Got 2 car shows this weekend: Per Shine at Diamond Club and 2 Chain at South Lake Mall. So yeah, I finna get ready to put the Forges on it, and I'm looking forward to get this thing painted here soon. I gotta get some gloss on here. I ain't had it painted in about 11 years. I wanna say this paint job been on it. This back when everybody was doing flat paint jobs. But yeah, I'm finna get all that new, take the back windows out, put these new. Everything gonna be new and took apart when I get done with it. That's coming real soon, because I gotta protect my investment. But yeah, it's running real good, real good. So y'all finna get some drive around town footage on Forgiatos, playing around about 10 pounds of boost today. So y'all stay tuned and buckle up and ride. Oh yeah, let me show y'all up under the hood. I know y'all ain't probably already done seen it. Most of y'all that follow me on the channel, hold on a second. Let me sit this camera down. Hold on. Let me sit that down right there right quick. I had some water in my hood. Let me get that out. But yeah, she been running good. Oh yeah, I put a new power steering pump on it. I had a Type 2, but I put this one on here so it stays on at high RPM. Yep, so let me get these rims on this car, man. Let me stop wasting y'all time. This is what y'all came to see. The rims going on the Malibu. Yep, they is. Alright, y'all, this how much street driving I've been doing. Upon me noticing the car, I looked up under the car and I see tire tread right there. Hold on. Tire tread showing. So I was like, damn, what's going on with that? So I looked at some measurements, came over here. This tire here is up closer that way, and the other tire on the other side more back that way. So I'm gonna adjust the bar angle a little bit and get that right. But yeah, that's just to show you how much little street driving I've been doing without telling y'all. My bad, I'm sorry. But everything else, I'm finna be recording. Yep. And We got the Forgiatos out the basement. Boom, boom, boom. In the back, front, back. These are 12-inch rims, not 10s. These is 12 on a 295, 25, 22 Pirellis, I think. No, these ain't Pirellis. I don't know what these is. But yeah, let me go and start putting these rims on. Right here you can see, even me standing looking at the rear end, it look like it's going that way. So I'm gonna push it back, measure it off of something off the frame, and make sure she right. So she should be good. But yeah, look how I wore that tie out right there. That what brought it to my attention. That right there. Shout out to that boy Ben for doing all the suspension on it. Boy Ben got me right. Boy Ben got me right. It's that bar right here. I was telling y'all need to be gotta be broke loose and pushed back. It's adjustable, fully adjustable on both ends, so break it loose and push it back, push the ring end back. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, find me a measuring point, measure from, let's see, I really need to measure the balls. I don't feel like getting up on it. I'm gonna measure from the rotor, from this hole right here. Alright, 14, like 1/4. Yeah, 14 and 1/4. Go on the other side. I need to come in a little bit on the other side. Alright, we got it adjusted. I went from that hole right there to the edge of this rotor, 17 inches. It looked like it got it about right. It looked good, did that on both sides. So go ahead and start putting these Forgiatos on. Got that back on. Got that back on. Oh my God, that look good. That look good. It never disappoints me. Look at the stamps on it. Alright, let me go ahead and get the front on. Oh yeah, she nasty. She nasty. Especially with that bubble hood on her. I think this my first time seeing the rims with the bubble hood since I had the bubble hood. Yeah, she look good. Good stance. Put a little air in the tire. I came up a little bit on the front. Just a little bit on this side. And according to the coilovers in the front, this side here might be a little higher. But that's that one. I mean, that's that this that look I wanted for the weekend. I want it kind of up in the front and squat in the back a little bit. Probably can't tell on camera, but it got a little bit to it. But I couldn't come up too high. I know when I hit the gas, it's gonna squat in the back, so probably come up a little higher than what it is in front. Yo, might need to tuck that back some more. Tuck that back. One day I might end up shortening up the rear end a little bit, then put this down there up here. That's where I want that at. Down there up there. That's where I want that. But yeah, for the weekend car show, I'm good. UPS, I mean FedEx, but it be dropping off my package. Oh yeah, she look good. I'm gonna get some air in these tires and take it for a test ride. Man, let me go and crank this thing up. Put some water on it. Bag it out the driveway. she look good. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get me a grill here in a minute. But yeah. Alright, let me put some water on these rims real quick. And a little piss on them tires. And a little air in the tire.
Hey, man. I follow you on goddamn YouTube, bro.
For real?
Love the content, dog.
Appreciate it. I finna start back. I took like 2 months off. It was too hot outside, bro.
Hey, we go back to recap. We watch it all, man.
Okay, all right. Appreciate the support, bro. All right.